In today's lecture, we will discuss how you can choose a single thing. Like I learned it from Alex Hormozy. I was watching a lecture from Alex Hormozy yesterday in which he said when we have five things in our focus, let's say we have 100 points of focus, and when we have five things, we give each thing 20 points of focus. But if we just choose one thing and do it with 100% focus, we can go far away in any business we want. Let's say I will tell you about my story. I was always confused in I want to do graphic designing, I want to do YouTube, and I want to do video editing, and I basically like that agency stuff. So I was confused. When I was thinking about making a timetable about how I will do YouTube and how I will do graphic designing, most of the times I feel like when I was thinking about to do design, my mind asked me about when you will do YouTube, when you will make videos for YouTube, when you will learn things which you will document on YouTube. So when I watched that video from Alex Hormozy, I just got to realize that one thing, that in a week when we have 7 days and when we just prioritize one task, let's say you have 24 hours and you just prioritize one task, then just do it for 6 days. Let's say you have a problem, let's say you have 2 or 3 things, you want to do 2, 3, 4 things. Then what I have done for myself, I also had so many things to do, that I will do this, I will do graphic design, I will do video editing. What I did was, for 7 days, let's say we have 7 days in a week, what I have decided to do, I will do 6 days YouTube. I will work on YouTube for 6 days, 6 days or maybe 5 days. And on weekend, on Saturday, Sunday, let's say in 5 days, I have my college and I have my classes on those weekdays. So I will get approximately 6 hours on each day. And what I will do is, I will learn for 6 hours. I will do YouTube for 6 hours for 5 days, and then for 2 days, for Saturday and Sunday, I will do graphic design. For those 2 days, I will just focus on graphic design. And after that, let's say on Monday, from Monday to Friday, I will not even plan something about graphic design. And when it comes Saturday and Sunday, those 2 days I will only plan about graphic designing, what I have to learn, what I have to make, what I have to design, from where I have to learn, from which resource I have to learn. I will just think about graphic design on those 2 days. So this is what I learned from Alex Hormozy. If you want to go on single thing, and I also learned it the same thing from Sam Owens, who is a startup owner. He has a startup named as School, as much I know. He has a startup known as School, which is a community thing. And there is Alex Hormozy, and you know Alex Hormozy. He is a very renowned person in the business space. So what I have learned from these two people, if you want to go into something, then go all in, and if you don't, then just go all out. Let's say you want to do a business, let's say you want to do video editing, and what you have to do is, you either do 100% of video editing. You can do things on hobby, like how I told you. Let's say if you like to speak, if you like to do public speaking, then you can do it as a hobby for half an hour, 1 hour, whatever time you dedicate it to. But when it comes to work, for your deep work session for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, you should do that one task which you have prioritized. Because we often see many things like stock market, graphic designing, affiliate marketing. When I was starting out, I saw all these things, and these all are very shiny things. Like every business have a opportunity, every business can be scaled to a higher level. Every business, Alex Hormozy told this, that any business have the capability and have the potential to scale it to a very higher level in millions, in billions. But what we do is we try something for 6 months, 12 months, and then we leave it. We often quit it and we try something new. Let's say I am doing affiliate marketing, and suddenly I thought that graphic designers are making more money, so I flipped into graphic designing. So this is a wrong thing. I can make $1 billion in affiliate marketing if I do it for a long period. So what we have to do, if we choose something, we should do it all way. If I choose graphic designing, I should do it with 100% focus, because when we choose different things, our focus is bisected in all those things, and our focus is divided in all those things, and we can't even focus about one thing. So in today's video we discussed that if I have to do, let's say you have 5 things to do, so just choose one or two and then do it with 100% focus. Do one thing for 5 days, and for 2 days choose something. And for me, I am doing 5 days YouTube, and for 2 days I will be doing graphic designing. So I will be doing graphic designing because it will help me into my YouTube thing and making designs, and it will give me a more clarity about how I have to make attractive thumbnails for my videos. So this is the plan I am thinking about, and you should do it too. Choose one thing and do it for a long enough period, and be the most educated person in that niche. Just learn from people who are above you, and don't be jealous of the people. Try to learn everything from them. Let's say a person who is good in graphic designing, then what we should do, we should learn from what he does, when he posts, when he designs, from where he learned his designing. We should learn from his podcast. So we just do these things, and we'll see you in the next video. So just do this, focus on one task and do it for a long enough period. See you in the next video.